Good morning, students, and welcome to the class. Today, we are going to do reading for understanding part of the English practice book, which is in page number 67. Here, we will find some short stories or poem, and what we have to do, we have to read that and answer the question that follows. So, we will start from the poem The Wind Today, which is written by Christina Rossetti. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. So here the poet is asking question that who has seen the wind? And she is saying that neither I nor you means nobody has seen the wind. But when the leaves hang trembling, she wants to tell that when the leaves shake because of wind, at that moment we can feel that the wind is passing through. Again, she is questioning that who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. She is saying that no, nobody has seen the wind, but when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. She wants to say that when the trees bend because of wind, we can feel that the wind is passing by. So, through this poem, the poet wants to say that nobody has seen the wind. Now, here is the question. Answer the following questions. Has the poetess seen the wind? So, the answer is no. The second question is, how does the poetess know that the wind is passing by? So here we have to write down that what are the lines or what are the uh, things which make the which made the poet to feel that the wind is passing by. So the answers are when the leaves hang trembling and when the trees bow down their heads. Okay, so come to next question. Match the following with their correct meanings. Now here two group of words are given and four answers are given. What we have to do? We have to match the correct answers and we have to leave two answers untouched. Only two, there are two questions, so there will be two answers and two answers we don't have to touch them. So the first question is leaves hang trembling and the answer is leaves shake because of wind. And question number 2 is trees bow down their head and the answer is trees bend because of wind. So what you have to do, you have to just take out page number 67 in your practice book and complete the questions given in page number 67 and 68. Thank you. Have a nice day.